This is the single sunflower petal. I am using a yellow poly burlap for this demonstration, and I have heat sealed this poly burlap at 10 by 10. So there is my heat sealed or wood burned edges, and we have the top finished manufactured edge and the bottom is a manufactured edge. What you're going to want to do is turn your piece of mesh into a diamond shape with the curl up. Take note on where your finished factory edges are. Are they to the bottom right and the top left, or are they the bottom left and top right? Whatever way you choose to do it, make sure you do every one of your petals that way each time. So then what we're going to do is we're going to take the bottom corner and bring it up to match the top corner. I'm going to put a little clip to keep those two corners together. You can use a clothespin, or you don't even have to use a clip if you don't want. And I'm going to make sure my edges are somewhat matched up, and I'm going to flatten so it makes this triangle shape. Okay, now I'm going to swing it to the left, so the point of the petal is going towards the left. I only do that because I'm right-handed. And then what you're going to want to do is kind of stretch right in the center here and make a pleat. So you're going to pinch the center to make this pleat. And then I'm going to start with the top. I'm going to go three times pinching it to the center. 1, 2, 3. And you'll leave this little triangle end there. And then we're going to go 3 this way. 1, 2, 3. Again, leaving a little triangle. And then what you're going to do, I'm going to be using a little rubber bands to help pre-make my petals. However, you don't have to. Once you're done your petal, you can place it right into the zip ties on the board. Then I'm going to take this corner and fold it right under to the back side. I'm going to take this corner and fold it to the back side. And then I'm going to take this little rubber band. Now this is where you could go and just put it into your board, or you can pre-make your petals. So I'm going to put this little rubber band, and then I'm going to open this, remove the clip, and we have a nice single sunflower petal.